What's up, everyone? It's Sam's Diecast, your friend boxing's reviews and collecting of diecast cars, and today we're going to be cracking open this 1992 solid blue card Hot Wheels. Today we have the Shock Factor in this kind of this black with light pink, and this is collector number 141, toy numbers 3164. Shock Factor. This is a new model for 1992 with the Speed Points packaging. Beat up packaging, pretty much. Soft corners, beat up on the top. There's the back of the card. Speed Points right on the back. I could just cut those out if I wanted to and trade them in. Probably wouldn't get anything for it. But if you turn in enough Speed Points, if you lived in the 90s, you could get a cool racing jacket or a compact TV, stopwatch, or anything else. Now, there are a few variations of 1992 for the Shock Factor to note. Common versions are this light pink version and a hot pink version. It's actually kind of hard to see. I think the hot pink version would be more saturated version of it. Then there's this like dull red version, which is worth $10 to $15 currently. But I shouldn't emphasize price too much because these are changing in price a lot. Alright, let's crack it open. Get it off of that card. That was a bad open there. But this is a very cool casting. Time to get it out of that packaging, free it up. First edition of the Shock Factor with the construction tires. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Love myself mint blue card Hot Wheels. Here's your Shock Factor. This is like a Speed Fleet car. This is a Speed Fleet car for the blue card series. This is the light pink version, probably worth like $6 in this condition, around that currently. Got a yellow number 7 on the side with blue and reddish stripes. And those are construction tires, CT tires. Very cool, very cool. And interesting casting. It is metal on metal. We've got some tampos up there. You can take a look at that on the spoiler. Sweet. And all the pink is plastic, but all the black is die cast. Shock Factor. This is very cool. There's the back of that casting. Just a really sweet casting. And looks like some of the chrome is rubbing off the wheel because it's been sitting in that package for so long, pressed up against that cardboard. That is a metal base. 1991, the copyright made in Malaysia with 2 rivets. And it drifts well. This is a very cool casting. With great spinning wheels. They don't spin independently, but they just still spin very well. Thanks to everyone that tuned in and checked out this video. Just opened up a 1992 Shock Factor, number 141 of the Blue Card series. Thanks to everyone that watched once again. Subscribe for more.